Hi everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library.
Don't forget Elliot!
How could I forget Elliot? We're all coming to see Elliot, right? This is Elliot, and we are going to make an easy craft activity that you can make at home that keeps summertime with you all year round, because we are going to be making a jar of fireflies, but with no real bugs. Instead, we're just using some glow-in-the-dark paint and some clean empty jars. And that's it. It's super easy, and I think it's gonna look really cool when we're done. So,
how will we get to glow in the dark paint?
I'm glad you asked. So I bought some glow-in-the-dark paint. We've got a few different colors here, but you can just use one or two for your project. And we've got some paintbrushes, some thin paintbrushes. So I'm gonna dip a little paint, and then watch, Elliot. I'm gonna use the brush and just try to get down in there and do just a little dot, just a little small bug-sized dot in the jar. So that's how I'm making mine, but I want you to feel free to get creative, Elliot, if you have a different vision for yours. But I'm going to be making little different colored firefly-sized dots in here. Very cool. What are you doing? Why are you painting with that end of the paintbrush? Why are you doing that? Whatever works, right? Here, I'm gonna try a little bit of the yellow glow-in-the-dark paint.
I want yellow too.
Okay.
I need yellow just like you.
Okay, we're the same. Okay.
I'm gonna have the white.
Okay.
I'm painting at the bottom.
So you can take as much time with this at home as you want or need to. I'm gonna try a little bit of blue one.
Well,
That'll be pretty.
I want blue too.
Okay. Can you reach down in your jar? Oh yeah, you can. Good job.
I'm painting on Bob.
You are. Yours is gonna be extra
Can
glowy.
you wipe me off?
I can when we're done. It's okay. We'll wash up when we're done.
I want green.
And while Elliot's still painting, I'll show you guys what's cool. So on the inside is where the paint is, of course, but on the outside, if you want, I know it's hard to tell from far away, but here's one of the paint blobs, and you can outline it and draw some wings on there. So then, look, it looks extra like fireflies. So you can sort of design that. You don't even have to wait for the paint to dry. You see what I did? Yeah.
I'm using all the colors.
Okay.
Let's see what that makes.
Okay.
Whoa!
So I saw, this is glow-in-the-dark paint, but I also saw glow-in-the-dark glue, which would work just as well, as long as it glows.
Mom, what did we use that thing for?
That's what I used to make the outline for the fireflies on the outside of the jar. How many fireflies are in your jar?
I don't know how.
How many do you think? 100?
Yep, 100.
Great.
But I'm almost at 100.
What's your favorite kind of bug?
Oh, ladybug.
Yeah, I like ladybugs too.
And I like butterflies.
Yeah. Are you painting with the wrong end of the paintbrush again?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're the silliest kid I've ever met.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Okay, I think mine's about done. What about you?
Mine's not done yet.
Okay, take your time.
It takes one more to get to 100. And it's a lot.
I think this is gonna look really cool.
Okay, and done.
Perfect. Okay. So now, thank you. I'm gonna turn the light off. Let's move them close to the camera and see how they look.
Mom, what are those glue things for?
What blue things?
Those things on the table.
I think that's the rest of the paint. Let's see. Let's get close to our jars. Whoa, can you see it?
I can't see mine.
It looks pretty cool.
I see it.
You see it, don't you? I can see it from here. Let's see. Oh, wow.
I want to turn the light back on.
I got it.
No.
So, isn't
I
that
want
fun?
I
You
want
can put it in your room for like a nightlight.
Mom,
Yeah.
I want to try to see it.
Okay. So, you can even set them outside to charge a little bit now that the paint's in there. You can let them charge outside to get even more glowy. And then you can just put them in your room for like a nightlight or an activity. Turn the middle switch. Okay. Oh, okay. Now turn the last one.
You mean this one?
And now turn the first one closest to you. Perfect. So many switches.
Yeah.
It's so cool, Elliot. I love yours. So you can keep summertime with you the whole year around.
Mom,
All right, come say goodbye to everyone at home.
Goodbye.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Easy, fun activity to do at home, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.